Hey Prepper, so this is our first go at a video blog, and I just thought you should know a little bit about clean cooking and how we started and where we came from. So my name's Stuart. I am the owner and founder of Clean Cooking. It's hard to believe, but I was 310 pounds. I mean, I was miserable, overweight, lost. I didn't know where to start, didn't know where to begin. I knew I had to lose weight. And so just like all, problems in the world that you don't have an answer to, you go to YouTube, which is exactly what I did. And I started watching videos on veganism and watching videos on, bodybuilding and, the keto diets, the beach diets, all of it. And I tried all of them, and a lot of them worked for a little while, and a lot of them worked better than others. And some made me feel like I was gonna die. But overall, it taught me a lot about nutrition. And so that's where I formulated my own kind of diet plan. Basically, the idea is that you eat unprocessed foods that you cook yourself, and the less you do to it, the better it is. So all of our food is, if you get it from us, that's the food. It's not, made with polysorbocarbonate, blah, blah, blah. If you get carrots, it's carrots. If you get rice, it's rice. If you get chicken, it's chicken that I seasoned and smoked myself. Nothing comes to us ready to go. It's not like we're doing any of that stuff. But getting back to it, I started eating this way, where it was 3 equal food groups. Yes, there's 3 food groups. Meat and dairy count as 1 food group. Vegetables count as another, carbs count as another. If you put basically a deck of cards size portion in every meal and eat that meal 4 to 5 times a day, spread out throughout the day, you're gonna be filling in a lot of nutritional gaps. And not only that, but you're keeping your blood sugar stable, because all the foods that come in the natural environment have the right fiber to carb ratio. I mean, short of, certain things that are all carbs, like white potatoes and, a lot of very juicy fruits. It's in a form, though, that our bodies can understand. It's real food. And so when we start eating real food, our body goes, oh, I can use this. And it does. And it uses your body to do, it just returns you to normal. It puts you at a homeostasis. And that's what I did. Over the course of probably 5 months, I lost 50 pounds or so by eating this way and being very dedicated to it. I wasn't taking cheat meals. There isn't a, cheat meal Friday. No, it's, your reward is that you lose 50 pounds. You're being dedicated, you're drinking a lot of water, you're staying active. You don't necessarily have to be crazy in the gym, but you're staying on task, and you are focused on your diet, and eating is your important part of it. And that's how it is, and it's not fun, and it's extremely lonely. And so we are going to be trying to bring other people's stories, not just my own, to it. But when we start talking about weight loss, there's so many different facets to go to, and this is just the beginning of my story. So throughout this whole process, we're going to be talking about nutrition, shopping, weight loss, mental health, all the different parts of it, as well as the cooking that goes with weight loss and health. So let's just check back in. We're going to be updating and doing videos, a lot, and hopefully you guys will be able to relate, and you'll see that it's not so hard and not so bad. So thank you for watching our first video, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.